Thanks for checking out my micro drawings channel here on YouTube. I'm starting off today with a quarter and a pencil for reference, give you an idea of the size of the micro drawing. In this case, again, I'm starting with a Copic multiliner 0.03. I'm drawing Snoopy wearing a baseball cap, having a glove on his paw, and catching a baseball that's coming down. So I often do start with facial features of a character. In this case, I'm drawing Snoopy's nose. And there I'm bringing his forehead up to where the baseball cap is. There's the brim of the baseball cap going in. And then the cap itself. And there's Snoopy's eye, smile. And his ear is going in. Thanks again for checking this out. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It'll give you updates of other drawings I do as well. Kelvin and Hobbes show up quite a bit. I just posted another one. It was of a northern pike. And I've done other subjects as well. All right, so I'm kind of working over that line, making sure it's how I want it to be. Got his neck done, working the lower part of his face up to his mouth. There I'm putting on Snoopy's collar. And working down from that collar base to put his back. He's got that black dot on his back, or marking. And there's his little tail. It's darker near the base of his tail. And bringing his back legs down. Of course, his front legs or paws are going to be holding the baseball glove. And there's the one without the glove on it. And there I'm adding the glove itself. Just kind of lightly feathering that in there. I'll be adding color in not too long here. For the color, I use Copic sketch markers. They have two ends, a broad chisel point and the fine tip. I use the fine tip end to work right up to the black lines that I'm drawing here. There goes Snoopy's belly and his far leg and his close leg. And he's almost done. Just got to put the baseball up there and the motion lines of the baseball coming to him. There we go. And then color here, I'll be looking at green for the grass, red for his hat, and then a brown for his mitt. But there's a quarter for reference and a pencil eraser end for reference as well. So you can see quite a few Snoopies would fit in that quarter. And here goes the grass in place. Just putting in that green coloring, and then I'll add some little blades of grass with the Copic multiliner 0.03 black pen again. There we go. Again, quarter for reference off to the side there. And I was either looking for which brown to use or which red to use for his hat. And there's the red for the hat. Pretty simple, just going in there, moving right up to that black line, allowing for a teeny bit of bleeding or soaking into the paper. There I'm hitting the other end. And then next I'm looking for the brown color to use on his glove. I can't remember, I think it was a different sepia tone that I used on that than I usually use. So I've got a piece of paper off to the side that I'm marking that you don't see on camera here. There again is a pencil for reference. And still trying to make a decision on that brown. Sorry for the delay here. And then I'm getting the brown finally. And just touching that up to the edge, to the top edge of the baseball glove. Rotating it so I can work up to the other edge. And then for the little stripes on the ball or threads, I ended up grabbing a Micron 005 red to touch that. That ball is pretty darn small, so just tried to barely touch. There's the Micron 005 I'm using. And so I'm just touching that a little bit to give it the red stripes on it. And there we go. Looks like he's going to catch it, but you know, with the Snoopy's characters, you never know till it actually happens. Like Charlie trying to kick the football from Lucy. All right, there's the date, 7/8 of 2020, and my initials. Again, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.